the whole purpose of sperm migration within the female reproductive tract is they have to migrate a very long distance. So if you actually divide in many systems, in many different species, if you divide and approximately like divide the distance they have to travel until they reach the oocyte by their length, the problem is somehow like the scale is similar to how Titanic traveled between the US and UK. And I should say it's not just a regular ocean. It's a mucus ocean. So they have to actually travel this long distance and withstand the selective pressure so that they eventually get nearby the oocyte and receive all the signals that are coming from the oocyte so that they can find it and penetrate it and so on. So that's how they do. But the whole question is how they adapt their motion and how they change motility during this process, because we all know that in order to migrate in a very complex system, you have to constantly adapt your swimming strategies. And I should mention that the geometrical complex, the geometrical complexity that we have in the female reproductive tract requires this constant adaptation.